Hey guys, what's up? This video is going to teach you how to get Pokemon Go++. This is a tweaked app from a tweaked app store, and it allows you to do things like spoof your GPS location, so you can just get Pokemon wherever you are. You can just like move along the map and everything. So to do this, there's a few steps you need to do first. Firstly, you want to go into your settings, right? You want to go to general, background, app refresh right here, and just make sure that this is on. You're on Wi-Fi, and so is our guy for the world. You also want to go to your battery and just make sure low power mode has it off, guys. After you've done those steps, and by the way, that only matters if you're on an iOS device. If you're on an Android device, you don't need to worry about it. It's gonna let us download the spoofed Pokemon Go app right here. Hacked Pokemon Go download spoofed GPS location. Gonna click on that, and it's gonna ask us to start this injection right here. So we're just gonna let this file download onto our phone before we can do the install on the next side. This isn't gonna take too long, guys, but it's honestly the longest part of this whole process. Is just letting this download onto the phone, and it's still you'll see that it really doesn't take that long. Setting up the conversation here. Okay. So it should be loading in a different screen. Right about now. There we go. Okay, so once we get here, there's just some instructions. Please complete 2 of the offers below and follow the instructions fully. Once completed, the download will finish. So all of these apps we see here, they're completely free. You don't need to worry about paying for anything to download them. You can see all these buttons right here say free. And all we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna click on them and read the instructions and follow them, and that's it. So this Coin Master one tells you to connect with friends, complete Village 3 to unlock your content for new users only. So if you already have Coin Master downloaded onto your phone, just choose another one, but there's lots to choose from, guys. The State of Survival wants us to download and install this app and run it for 30 seconds. That sounds pretty easy to get started. And this is just gonna redirect you to the App Store. After we get there, we can download the app and follow the instructions. I think that I downloaded this one and the Coin Master one. I downloaded my apps before I made this video because my downloads took a really long time and I didn't want to make you sit through that. So this is the one also right there. My Wi-Fi is not the best. There we go. So see, mine says open, yours will say download. You're just gonna click on that button. Yours is gonna download, mine's just gonna open. And all you have to do is let this run for 30 seconds. You just need to let it run for 30 seconds. I already have. And then after we have done the instructions for each app, Pokemon Go++ will download onto your phone, and that's honestly it. It's that easy and that simple. Then you'll be able to catch all the Pokemon that you want. You can spoof your location, and that's it, guys. So let me know if this worked for you in the comments below. If it didn't, I can try to help you in the comments, and just leave a like.